Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today is another Boxycharm video. Of course, I do those a lot more. So I got my Boxycharm in the mail just recently, and I'm going to unbox it with you guys, tell you how much it's worth and how much I paid. Of course, $21. So let's unbox this. So this is December's Boxycharm. So this month's theme is 'Tis the Season. Cute little flamingo, and then it has all the stuff and the prices in the back. So first, we're going to start off with, I got the Wonder Beauty Wonderless Dusk to Dawn as a blush and highlighter palette. Here's the box right here. So this one is Boxycharm exclusive. It has 3 buttery shades that blend seamlessly onto the skin for natural glowing finish. So here it is. Cute little palette. And there's your 3 shades. So blush, highlighter, and this retails for $26. So they all have shimmer to it. Let's swatch them. So there are the 3 blushes and highlighters. Comes with really pretty, really soft. So this one retails for $26. Okay, next is this Detox activated charcoal mask. Ooh, this is gonna be fun. So this is from Cosmedix. This one retails for $30. Whoa, it's a 1.3 ounce, $30. Detoxify your pores from daily grim with Cosmedix activated charcoal mask. This is going to be so much fun to use. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, feels nice and cooling. Smells like, reminds me like a cleaner, like Fabuloso or Pine Sol. Yep, smells like something like that. So this one I'll try out soon. And then next we have a Tarte lip paint, shimmery lip paint. We got the the shade Insta Famous. And this is what it looks like right here. Really pretty. Ooh. Just a really pretty light gloss. I don't know if you can see. You guys see like the little, really soft gloss. Really pretty just to put on top of lipsticks. And this one retails for $20. $20. I'm already past what I paid for this. Actually, this one I didn't pay for. Boxycharm sent me. But I have another one that I paid for on the way. And then next I got the lip pencil, Bodyography. I got in the shade, I don't know what shade. Heatherberry. It's like a really nice pink. Pretty pink. That's a pretty pink lip liner. This one retails for, where are you at? $12. And then last but not least, I got the Suva Beauty. How do you say it? Suva Beauty? Suva Beauty palette. And when it comes to the mirror, really pretty. And this is what it looks like. Really pretty shades. So this one retails for $34. It has 6 highly pigmented shimmer and matte shadows and 2 brilliant highlighters. So these are the brilliant highlighters. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes and 2 shimmers. Really pretty. Really pretty. Those are really pretty. So it's like a goldish highlighter and then a pink highlighter. Really pretty. These are the 4 mattes that it comes with. They swatch pretty nice. Of course, I know it's different on the lid. These are the 2 shimmer shades. Really pretty. Look at that shimmer. Okay, so those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 full-size products I got. I got the Suva Beauty. Am I even saying that right? Suva Beauty palette. Wonder Beauty blush and highlighter palette. Mask. Shimmer lip paint. Can I hold that? Hold it right there. And lip liner. All this for 20. You can get all this full size for 21 bucks. And this is worth, let's calculate the ounce. 20, 12, 26, 30, 34. It is worth $122. And all you have to do is just sign up. I'll leave the link in my description box. Sign up. You guys get full-size products, 5 to 6 full-size products, which are always amazing, for 21 bucks. And this is all worth $122. You guys need to get on that. And then now they have for every, like I think it's every 3 months, a Boxycharm box, which has a lot more stuff. I'm waiting for that, and then we also keep an eye out on that video. So excited to get that one. And those are full-size products as well. Cannot wait to show you guys what I got mine. Anyways, thank you so much, Boxycharm, for sending me this box early to show my followers and viewers what they can be getting in their box. And I cannot wait to see what I get in my next box. I think it's coming next week. Next week. That's the one I pay for. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.